I'd rather have Jesus than silver or gold. I'd rather be His than a riches untold. I'd rather have Jesus than houses or land. I'd rather be led by His pale-pierced hand. Oh, than to be a king of a vast domain, or be held in sin's dread sway. I'd rather have Jesus than anything this world affords today. On the second stanza now. I'd rather have Jesus than men's applause. Rather be faithful to His dear cause. I'd rather have Jesus than worldwide fame. I'd rather be true to His home. Oh, than to be of a vast domain. That's where I'd rather Jesus than anything this world affords today. I love this verse. He's fairer than lilies of the rarest bloom. Do you believe that? He's sweeter than honey from out of the comb. He's all that my hungering spirit needs. I'd rather have Jesus and let Him lead. You're going to sing this one out with your whole heart, and I hope you mean every word that comes out of your mouth in this verse. He's fairer than lilies of purest blue. He's sweeter than honey from out of the comb. He's all that my hungering spirit needs. I'd rather. Please sing that third stanza again. He's fairer. Let's do that.